Hello to all Jeev, that is living beings out there. Welcome to Ekataa Jeev. This channel is dedicated to all Jeev around you. We have already created flamingo and owl miniatures from pine fruit. Today, let's create rat miniature. Before that, do subscribe to Ekataa Jeev for more such miniature and craft videos. Let's begin. For the rat miniature, we will need pine fruits, molded clay, colors and paintbrush. Now take a pine fruit and small amount of molded clay. Knead it well and mold the clay to become mouth. Take some more clay and prepare tail and attach it to pine fruit. Provide support to pine fruit wherever needed. Now let's give the shape of legs. It's time to prepare ears for rat. Take small amount of clay and join it to miniature. To support rat, add small amount of clay wherever needed. Now, rat miniature is almost ready. Get some colors and color the rat. If you like the video, do give thumbs up and comment below. And before you sign off, don't forget to share the video to all Ekataa Jeev around you. Stay tuned for more such miniature and craft ideas. See you soon with a brand new video. Till then, tata, bye bye, sayonara.